In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the perfect market to target for your business in just 10 minutes without having to guess, waste money, or hire a team of expensive consultants. Today, I'm going to introduce you to a faster, smarter way using our AI-powered market analysis template designed to do all the heavy lifting for you. The link to this template is below, but let me walk you through how to use it step by step and show you why it's a game changer for marketers and startups alike. When you open the template, the first tab you'll see is the market positioning exercise. This is where you map out whether you're targeting new or existing markets, and if your product is new or existing, then your product's uniqueness versus complexity, and lastly, your average deal size in relation to your sales motion. This helps sharpen your strategy and avoid the classic mistake of chasing markets that don't make sense for your product. Next up is the market analysis template. Here's where the real magic starts. You'll see a simple blank template that helps you document and compare your existing markets with potential new ones. Then an example template right next to it. It's basically a quick cheat sheet for inspiration. Now here's the best part, the AI-powered market analysis tab. Upload your customer data to the customer data tab, and boom, AI does all the hard work for you. Just input details like your customers' industries, revenue size, and location, and the AI instantly gives you a breakdown of the pros and cons of each market. It's like having a marketing data scientist on your team without the cost. The AI doesn't just spit out numbers though. You'll get both a quantitative and qualitative analysis, telling you exactly which markets offer the biggest opportunities and which ones to avoid like the plague. This is what helps you reduce risk and avoid costly mistakes when choosing your next target market. So, to recap, you've just learned how to use AI to analyze your existing customer data, identify the best market to target, and do all of that in just 10 minutes. No guesswork, no expensive consultants, and no wasted time. Download the template now using the link below and subscribe to the channel to learn more about the AI-powered tools that are helping our sales and marketing teams grow. See you in the next video.